Is Clinical just dropped a new extra strength peel pad treatment for at-home use, so let's talk about it. I'm Leah Parks, I'm a licensed esthetician, I own SkinBeautifulrx, and my YouTube channel is dedicated to bringing you all the information I can find, condense, and put in videos so that you can treat your skin at home. No appointment needed. If you are familiar with the original peel pads, you know how amazing this treatment is. It is a retinol replacement on the nights you use it, and it gives you phenomenal results overnight. While this new formula is a step up, this new peel formula is really gonna give your skin an advanced boost. It's not only gonna smooth fine lines and wrinkles, give your skin an immediate glow and radiance, reduce pore size, but you're gonna see results right away, and long term is gonna continue to improve on your skin. Now, with that being said, this new formula is more advanced, more effective, and more potent. It is going to be great after you've already used the original. So if you have very tolerant skin, if you're oily, or if you've used the original and feel like you've reached a plateau, you'll want to then incorporate it into your routine. This will tackle deeper wrinkles, more stubborn hyperpigmentation. It has triple the exfoliating power. It's still gonna come in 2 steps for a complete at-home treatment. The original formula was meant to be used every other day. With this new Pro formula, you'll want to start with once a week and build up to 3 to 4 times weekly. Okay, so if you made it this far, that means you want glass skin. So let's go over what each peel pad, which is each a separate treatment, is going to do and what the ingredients are. The first step, which is peel 1, and by the way, since this is formulated so extra strength, these will not be dripping with product. It is just enough to swipe over the skin and you will feel the tingle on application. You do not want a lot of formula because this should not be getting in your eyes and this should not be running down the face, because we want to make sure we're very targeted when we use something this potent at home. So step 1 is all about exfoliation. When you first start to wipe this over the skin, you will start to feel a tingle, and that's totally normal. You'll want to avoid anywhere where you can get a little overly dry, so you can put Vaseline on your lips or even an eye cream around the eye so that we don't dry out the areas that can be prone to getting dry with advanced formulas. Clinical is known for their high potency formulations that are also super clean. Step 1 is packed with botanical ingredients that are super concentrated. So it's botanical acids and botanical extracts that are gently but effectively going to slough off old dead skin cells and start to release those fine lines and wrinkles. It has 6 different types of alpha hydroxy acid. It has sugarcane maple citric acid plus beta hydroxy acids such as white willow bark and salicylic. So while it's going deep, it is targeting stubborn hyperpigmentation and rapidly exfoliating. However, step 1 also has calming ingredients so we don't compromise the skin barrier. It has aloe, green tea, and menthol, so it'll immediately give you this cooling sensation, which will immediately also calm and protect the skin. Max, you're gonna leave step 1 on for 3 minutes. You can remove it sooner as your skin gets comfortable. You can leave it on for a little longer, but we never wanna go over 3 minutes. We're immediately going to go to step 2. Step 2 is designed to not only neutralize all of the acids we just put on the skin, but it's also going to deliver deep hydration, reduce any redness and irritation, and it has powerful ingredients that are going to immediately plump the skin and help with anti-aging. It has botanical and biological exosomes, which are anti-inflammatory and help even out skin tone. It also has copper tripeptide growth factors and a form of vitamin C that are going to help firm and smooth the skin surface. It's going to boost collagen and elasticity. Plus, we are packing in a ton of antioxidants with step 2 to help not only promote anti-aging, but we're also going to protect against future aging with step 2. Step 2 is also designed to continue to keep your skin barrier strong, healthy, and intact, while protecting it against environmental stressors. All in all, the Is Clinical Active Peel Pads are a game changer, and this new advanced formula is no joke and really just builds upon the reputation the original created. It's for skincare lovers who want to take their routine to the next level and have already prepped their skin for an intense at-home peel treatment. We are delivering powerful exfoliation, brightening, but also skin soothing and deep hydration in an easy 2 steps at home overnight. Let me know if you guys have any questions below, and I'll see you on my next video.